Good morning everyone, and I'm back in Tobago again reviewing the beautiful Surfer's Paradise Villa, which is located directly across the road from Mt Irvine Beach, hence the name Surfer's Paradise, because of course if you do know anything about surfing and Mt Irvine, you know it's one of the best waves for surfers in the Caribbean. But now we're going to be looking at one of the best villas where surfers and very much non-surfers can stay while you are here. I'm going to give you the full tour of the grounds, all the rooms, and then of course we'll take a little pop across to the beach to show you just how close you are to it. So come along with me, let's check it out. This place is beautiful. Let's go. So immediately as you walk in, you'll see that there's a car park area. There's two large electronic gates when you enter, and there's space for a significant amount of cars in here. I would say comfortably you may be able to hold about 8 vehicles in this spot at any point in time. Now do be aware, of course, at some point if you have too many cars in here, you may have to move around cars to get one car out. The road is also very safe for parking and there's additional space there. So let's head on inside. So we've now entered the master bedroom. This is where I have been sleeping. And this is, of course, the main room in the house. Although I will tell you right now that all the rooms in this house are very nice. This one might just have a little extra on the rest of them as it has a television. One of the few rooms in the house other than the living room that does have its own television. It's a smart TV with cable, everything you need, good to go. So I'm standing here in the kitchen and living room area, which is also the area where you start to access the outside parts. There's still a few more surprises in store, but let me just show you. First of all, you have a fully functioning kitchen with everything you need. Plates, knives, forks, stove, oven, microwave, sink, fridge, everything. Everything you need as you expect from a very good kitchen. So your cooking needs and everything was covered, of course. And then once you leave the kitchen area, straight across, first of all there's a lovely dining table, very comfortable chairs, a seating area where you could also watch TV, and again of course all the nice little touches of art on the wall. When you exit one side of the living room area, you come out onto this lovely outdoor dining area. So again, a nice seated area, a little coffee table, lounge area, and then another eating area for you. And when you walk through this area, you come to the grill. If you decide to have a nice barbecue on the day, that's all well and good. Over here, we have like a nice outside seated area. That's my surfboard. You could lime here. There's the hammock, which of course is one of my favorite things. And you'll notice this little courtyard area right here, where you could sit and lime. More chairs, more tables. This door here is actually access to the master bedroom where I went in at the start of this video. So you can access your bedroom section through the master area as well. So that's just a nice thing to see. Now, here's a nice treat. I'm gonna take you to the 6th bedroom. Because remember, I said they had 6 bedrooms, but this one is just a little bit separate from the house, but I think it's really cool. and it's up these stairs here. They call this the tree house bedroom, and when you walk up, you'll immediately see this beautiful view of the pool, the entire liming deck area below, and of course the famous Mt Irvine beach in the distance over there with surfers already out surfing. But let's go inside the room and have a look. You'll see that you're now at Surfer Street, surfs up, and we go inside. And I love this little space here. It's almost self-contained except there's no cooking area up here. You have the bunk bed as well as a pull-out bed, a lovely little couch for sitting, even your own eating area. You have a mini fridge and microwave, and of course you have your bathroom. And it's just littered with art all along the walls of the ceilings, a very tall roof, and of course there's a television up here. So this place can be a real ideal setup, almost to cut yourself off from the main villa, but not completely. So I told you I had a few more surprises up my sleeve. This is a 6-bedroom villa. I've shown you all 6 bedrooms, the pool area and everything. However, in unique circumstances, if you need it to be a little more spacious, or perhaps there was a element of your group or person or family in your group who needed something with a little more space and also maybe a little more privacy, there's actually a hidden 7th bedroom lounge that's self-contained downstairs. Now, just to let you know, and all the information is below this video in the caption, this one is available at a slightly different price if you're renting the entire villa, so it's not normally included unless absolutely needed, but it is beautiful, and let's go and check it out. So we've seen the 6 bedrooms, I've shown you some views. I'm going to show you 1 or 2 more surprises now though. First of all, some small simple ones. Right by the pool, there's this very hidden freshwater shower for when you come out of the pool. Now the pool itself is a normal beautiful swimming pool. This smaller jacuzzi is heated. There's a button that you can turn it on to turn on the heating, and it takes a couple of hours to get warm, and once it's warm you sit in pretty and you're good to go. You can see that the pool deck is ideal for liming. These chairs are really comfortable. So you're seeing the space that you have out here. Now it's important for me to mention that you may have seen another video I did for the Eagles Base Villa, but this is the same owner, same type of property, everything. In fact, they're sister villas, if that makes sense. And the Eagle Base, which if you go back in my YouTube videos and watch that one, which is also another stunning villa, is more up in the mountain nature vibe, but this villa is only about a 5-minute drive away from that, and this is the surfside beachside villa. So as a guest, when you want to stay at these accommodations, you really have a choice. Some people prefer the quieter nature side one, while others may prefer being right near the beach, the surfers and people like that. They're both extremely private, extremely beautiful, and also very similarly laid out. So you really have a pick. And what you may end up doing is you may stay at one and then try the other one next time you come. Both villas are top quality, very comfortable, and all the details are incredibly beautiful. So you can't go wrong. So it wouldn't be Surfer's Paradise Beach Villa if you couldn't in fact walk across to the beach where the surfing is at. So let's go across and have a look at when you come out from your property and reach the beach itself. You start by just heading down these stairs. Let's go and check it out. I just want to stop and take note of yet another nice touch. After your day in the ocean, surfing, relaxing on the beach, There's this lovely freshwater shower that's been fashioned out of an old surfboard. Beautiful. But now we head to the gate and I'm going to show you just how close the beach is across the road. So I hope you guys enjoy this amazing tour of this beautiful villa, and I'm hoping that you will come and stay here soon. So let me give you some additional details about this place so you know what it's all about. The Surfers Paradise Villa is around 900 USD or 6,300 TT per night for the first 14 persons, and each additional person up to 22 people is 50 USD or 350 TT per night. There's the 7th bedrooms, which is the Surfers Lounge downstairs. That is an additional 300 US or 2100 TT per night for up to 2 persons. Only rented to villa guests that require additional space. The lounge downstairs is not available for separate rental. The entire property must be rented all at once. A 50% down payment is required to secure your booking dates. There's an additional 1-night refundable damage deposit, refunded 1 week after checkout once nothing on the property is damaged or missing. All payments are non-refundable and dates are non-transferable. Some other useful information: Surfers Paradise have arrangements with some of the locals around here to give you an even better deal when staying at this property. They have an arrangement with Anchor Bar, which is the beach bar across the road on Mt Irvine. They do delivery of cocktails and food directly to the villa. There's even a cocktail called Surfers Paradise, which you could test out on your next stay here. Surfers Paradise provides use of stand-up paddle boards and 2 e-bikes, as well as if you're staying at Surfers Paradise for a minimum of 3 nights stay at the nearby La Grande Colonne Spa, you get a 10% discount at the spa and free use of the gym, and a welcome signature cocktail at Waves Restaurant Bar with your meal. There's also a 10% discount for all mountain bike tours with Eamon, a 15% discount for surf rentals with Alvin, who is one of the local surf teachers on Mt Irvine Beach. On top of that, a 10% discount at Radical Sports Water Sports located on Pigeon Point, Tobago. So there's a lot of bang for buck staying at Surfers Paradise. I hope you enjoy your stay when you come here. I have enjoyed my stay thoroughly. Thank you very much, guys. All the information that you need is down in the caption below. Link them, come and stay, check out Tobago. One love, surf it up, blessings.